Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market. Who's ready for today? Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and discuss the market. First of all, we got CMCT, doing almost 100%. This is, I think, by far the strongest one for today. He's about to break out from the $10.97, which almost the $11. So CMCT, one of the top gainers. After that, we got FMFC. The other one that we might watch is SLRX from yesterday, but this one broke the support. So I'm gonna take it from the list. The next one we got, LFS didn't break the resistance in the pre-market, still down. Yesterday was 500%, guys, this one. So we keep it here if it broke the 1188. FTCI didn't go toward the 11, yeah. So this one, $11 as well to break. I'm gonna check again if we got a unicorn came up right now. Yeah, YGMZ, I think, have reverse split. Maybe AMZE. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Yeah, AMZE might be great as well at the market open. AMZE, one of the top gainers as well, guys. This one have news of acquisition. So we're gonna keep AMZE and CMCT. Those are the top two, for my opinion. The rest is a bit weak, for my opinion. So yeah, those the top two, CMCT and AMZE. Let me know if you spotted other one, guys. But those, the one that I'm watching now. The rest is a bit weak. Martin Apollo. Yeah, Valhalla. Um, ASST and the other one on ENGN, it was from yesterday. Today, the thing is pulling back. I think I put it on the other list, yes. Yeah, it pulled back and now is reversing up. Is not completely bad. It need to break today around 965 to go up toward the 11. Many stocks is trying to break the 11 barrier. Now we're talking. ASST, I think it broke the resistance yesterday and pulled back. Yeah, ASST not bad as well. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Looking great here. We have a bottom for it around 113, and the first support is the 130. It might go today toward $1.50, $1.80, and $2. Yes. So I'm gonna keep ASST and on the top list here. So today and now we kind of have four stocks. Yeah, on looking great after the earnings, guys. We have a huge earnings today in the free market. So this one is not a blue chip. This is blue chip company, so it's not a unicorn. The move already happened early on today, so so it's kind of game over because it's testing a resistance now around the 44. So it's back to pullback. So it's back pullback, yeah, for on. So I'm gonna take it from the list here because it's back to pullback here, and it's not a unicorn. ASST, on the other hand, yes, there's a chance for this one to squeeze. There is a huge chance if we broke the 181. Good morning, George. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We've got 10 minutes left at the market open. So don't forget to hit the like button for the channel. Yeah, so the main event, as we said, guys, MCT and AMZA. Those the top two stocks for today. Already double checked here. Yeah, those the top, technically at least looking great. Let's see, 10 minutes exactly now. CMCT have 139 shares limited to buy. Yeah, I know. Another limitation because it's heavily sh shorted and risky play. This is in Europe. If you live in the United States, different story. You can buy whatever you want. Here we have a lot of limitation, guys, for mini stocks. This limitation might be lifted after the volatility drop. So you have to always check. Okay, Beyond Meat. What's going on with Beyond Meat, everybody? Currently still going down. Yeah, we need to break over the 150 after the earnings. Open did a really great job for holding the reversal. Yeah, still holding the reversal here. Is preparing for another movement up. I'm gonna update the resistance for today for open just around the 950, 960, yes. 960 should be the level that we should watch out for open. If we have another jump up, this is could be the level that we should watch out for. Good morning, Joseph. How you doing, man? Doing great. Thank you for watching. For checking. MFE. Let's check NFE. Are we have some news for this one, or are you just checking? Yeah, nothing much. Is kind of dead here, man. Yeah, last time we jumped from the $1 until almost the two, but now it's flushed. Hopefully you're not in it, brother, because it looked dead. For now, I have to break the 130 to go up again. at least around the 140 and then the 160, but he's not looking good here. For today, everybody, AMZE. It looked like Amazon, but the ticker symbol looked like Amazon, but is not. is it have a struggle to break over the $1 is the psychological level for this stock. $1 is the psychological level for this stock, everybody. So if you just came in right now, guys, remember to hit the like button on the way in. Still watching the markets, scanning the market for unicorns. Let's see, LPTX. Did we check this stock? hmm I don't know. I feel like my laptop is a bit slow today. Guys, I don't know. Like, usually I don't close my laptop. So many told me that I have to close my laptop at least to recover a bit of cash and make my laptop much faster. Good morning, brother. Good evening. Okay, so we got a few minutes left, guys. Few seconds left at the market open. LBTX, I might keep it here on the list, but is not number one. AMZE, guys. As long as we hold the 76 would be great for a reversal right now. The market open now, guys. 97 is the breakout zone. This is the breakout. We need to hold over the 97 to go up toward the $1. Let's see. Which stock you think it will be halted, guys? CMCT or AMZE? Nothing much. CMCT, no breakout, no action, no buyers yet because we're still below the 11. AMZE currently didn't have a big bar yet and no big seller, no action so far. ASST is pulling back, so I think is not for today. LPTX is pulling back a bit. Let's see FMFC. No, this one even weaker. I'm gonna take it from the list for now, focusing on the main ones. FTCI, unusual buyer at the market open. Yeah, really good reaction. We have a big buyer over the 850. For now, we need to break the $10.85 to squeeze up. But yeah, going back to the main two list, AMZE trying to go up. Yeah, we have a big buyer right now, yes, and big seller at the same time. CMCT, on the other hand, nothing much happening here. Is a bit slow. At least, yeah, LBTX is moving a bit. We got a huge seller for LPTX around the 64. And current resistance that we should hold or support is over the 55, yes. LBTX not bad, guys. We got level, we might go to around 77, yes. CMCT, nothing much, still trying, but nothing drastic yet. We have a big seller now for AMZE. Okay, welcome Norma. BBI from yesterday and the good earnings still up. We'll check it out. Thank you, Norma, for give us a heads up. Irie, have a good report. Yusuf, thank you for the update. Good evening, my brother 600, 452. RX, RX, I will check it now. Let's see those three stocks if we have opportunity for entry. But for now, yes, AMZE is pulling back toward the support 76. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. And CMCT, the same, pulling back. LBTX is going up. LPTX, guys, looking great now. LPTX is number one now. It was hiding. It was hiding. This one is hiding. Now it's up. The only one is up right now. The rest is hideous. They're not good. The same for LFS. Okay, let us check those three stocks. Then we check the stock that been halted. Wow, BBI guys, another huge news. Yeah, so BBI doubling down on defense. Okay, look at that. We have another big jump for BBI after the earnings. As you can see here, we have earnings back in Monday after hours, 2 days ago. And now we have another squeeze toward other levels that we might go to right now. Yeah, we have three levels. So BBI Norma, yeah, looking great. It's going toward the 787, 20%. Not bad. This is crazy. Usually when we have earnings and jump, take a bit of time for another jump. For BBI, didn't wait. Didn't wait. Yeah. So we had 787 for BBI. I'm gonna keep it on the list. IRI 12%, but I don't like the volume on this one. It's hit a major resistance now around the 66, so we might pull back at least around the 56. Yeah, IRI is 13%. This one, if you don't know, guys, this one was top gainer before on October. It jumped until the 130. Now it's below the $1. So IRI, the same. We could keep it here. Might break the 66 and squeeze. And RX from this three stocks, RX is the worst. So I'm gonna bypass this one. Yeah, it is heavily shorted, even after the good earnings. But let me know, brother, if we broke over the $5, will be might be great to watch. Yeah, LBTX guys is number one now, 60%. It's going toward the 77. After that, we got AMZI. Yeah, those the top gainers for today. Those the three. LBTX is number one because it already jumped. LBTX is the best and the strongest. I'm gonna adjust the support now. Before it was around the 55, and I think now is around the 63. You are welcome, sure. So yeah, guys, LBTX not bad for my opinion here because if we held here, it would be great over the 64 to go up toward at least the 77. So LBTX is the only one that did great because we broke and we have a new high. For the rest, might change after a while. Like for SIA MCT, currently holding the support over the 8, so there's a chance for a reversal. And AMZE, yes, we don't have a flash because it's still holding over the 76. Okay, now let us check the stock that's been halted. Okay, for now we got PTN, LFS, and Move is coming up again. We already traded Move before, if you remember, guys, one of the top gainers. Let us check first the top gainers or the stock that's been halted, then the top losers. Okay, so PTN have reverse split. So Bass Move is jumping up. Yes, halted up. And I think we have earnings. It's halted around the 1488. Yeah, the chart not bad for Move. We might keep it on the list, guys, because it's getting near the 1960, the squeeze zone. So yeah, not bad. Now let us check the heavily shorted stock for today. Yeah, we only have two. Interesting. VSA just plummeted from almost the $5, yeah, in October, $3 until now below the $1. Crazy, crazy short opened for the stock right now. Gonna double check if we're gonna go down further. Would be great to watch for another dip. Interesting. We got a huge seller for this stock. We might watch for a reversal. Interesting. So I'm gonna keep it later if the chart change. NTWK, nope. Move is just unhalted, went down. LVTX guys currently on the lead. Yeah, the only one that doing all right. The rest is kind of slow. Yeah, the rest is kind of really slow, especially for CMCT testing the support. VBI as well is pulling back from the 20%. FTCI, on the other hand, might be great. So yeah, we only got LVTX, guys, the only one that look great at the moment. Again, guys, this is a good lesson for today. we got two stocks that we were watching, AMZE and CMCT, and we have a lot of hope and potential. Then LBTX just came in the market open, and we don't expect that will be the best, but we kept it on the list because it looked really good, and it is the only one that did great today. So this is the lesson: is when you least expect something, is the best. Like when you don't expect to get the job, you're gonna get it. When you least expect to get something, you're gonna get it. When you least expect that stock will squeeze, is the one will squeeze. So the lesson is never leave any rock unturned. Always be on the lookout because every stock could squeeze. There is no excuse. The trick is to be on the lookout, to be alarmed and ready because we don't need to say, what if we did this? So LBTX, I think we are halted. Yes, I think we are halted. Let's check if we currently halted LBTX. No, I think it's false halt. Might be a false halt. No, it's a false halt. Let us check. Yeah, we testing the profit taken around 77. Exactly, guys. 77 has been tested for LPTX. Yeah, LBTX just testing the 77, our resistant, as we discussed early. Yeah, we might have a pullback now, guys, for LBTX. It did a really great job here, breaking from the 64. Yeah, we did almost 19% here. 19% for LPTX. Okay, let's see if we got a question. Okay, Aman, Hive, I will check right now, Hive. Sorry, brother, I didn't check Discord early on. Hi, because my laptop is acting weird, man. It's a bit slow. I need to re turn it off, man. I think I have a bit of cache issue here. Yeah, I need to turn it off, but I will fix it after we finish the live streaming. So yeah, LPTX guys, testing again the profit taken and resistant. Make sure to take profit on LPTX. It did really great job for today. AMZE just broke. You mean it broke the support? Uh-huh. Yeah, it broke the support down, man. You know what? I'm gonna delete everything. This is really annoying. Okay, so okay, let me know if you can hear me, guys, because I just turned off the live streaming just to start it over. Anyway, so let's see. Okay, so LPTX looking interesting here. Is the only one that did great right now. AMZE is pulling back, broke the support. But let me just double check if we go back live now. I always forget, man. I always forget. Okay, forget. I totally forgot this. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. I have to close this. I have to close the windows because the laptop was overheating. Uh, anyway, let us do a little recap before we finish up here. ABS, thank you for the reminder about you said the screen is frozen. Again, guys, sorry for that because I have to close everything because I didn't closed my laptop before. Apparently, you have to close the windows in order to refresh after the latest update, but I didn't do that. I'm a bit lazy. So yeah, it was a bit slow early on. That's why I have to close everything and refresh the live streaming again. Anyway, let me know, guys, if you can see the screen now. If you can see the screen and the screen is not frozen, so we can continue and finish the live streaming for now. Any heads up? Perfect. Sally said okay. Great. So let us do a recap here. We got request to stock from our hunters. I don't know if you answer when the screen was frozen. It tries. I will check right now, brother. Right now. So I'm gonna cover Aman first. Aman, he said HIVE. I already did the chart here. We said the support is the 428 and the bottom $3.53. We have a resistance for it around the 508 and 560. For LPTX, yes, we got almost the $1. This is the technical level that we might hit and pull back from. This is the resistance that we might test. LPTX is the only trade for today that was fantastic. The rest is history. LPTX, guys, doing fantastic. So yeah, LBTX doing great. We got FIG, we got resistance for 45.61, support bottom 42, profit taking is around the 48.34 and then the $50. What else we got? We got other, yeah, open. For open, brother, we got the support, yes, around the 659 that we should hold. What else we got? We got left to know GLTO levels. I will check right now. GLTO levels. GLTO. GLTO did nice job. Yes, for today. It have support or yeah, resistance is almost hit around the 2750. Current support now is around the 2049 and $15. Current profit taking that we might hit is around $31 and $40 for GLTO. Look interesting for today. LPTX is getting near the $1, guys. Expect a huge pullback for LPTX at any moment. LPTX, it is the one to watch for today. The rest is history. The rest is a bit weak for today. Yeah, LPTX is better to take profit right now, guys. LPTX is better to take profit. Yeah, LPTX is better to take profit right now because we might get shorted at any moment. Now it's getting near the, now is 88, it's getting near the $1. The $1 or 90 something. Yeah, it's better to exit right now for LPTX. Yes, sir. Almost 14% here. Exit, run, 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 run. Yeah, there's a huge chance for a pullback for now, but I'm gonna do a major update for LPTX later on Discord for the better entry and exit for it. HIVE, I think we have earnings, yeah, coming up on Friday. So I'm gonna do the chart later on for you, brother. BBI, I'm gonna keep it here. VSA, check it later on. FTCI, keep it. GLTO. Beyond Meat, 4% and started to move. Let us do a little recap for Beyond Meat before we finish our live streaming here. Where's okay, so before we start our update here, remember guys, our content here for educational purposes and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence. Wait a second. Okay, before we continue our update for Beyond Meat for the rest of the week and tomorrow hunt for Thursday, remember our content here for educational purposes only and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So remember guys, Beyond Meat is still holding after the earnings over the $1.14. We have two buyers or three buyers. Twice before the earnings, where we did 20% here, and here we did almost 25%. And then the big seller just came at the earnings and we pushed back 20%. So technically, we didn't lose anything because all the gain that was before it was dumped after the earnings. So we didn't have a new seller. The buyers who bought here sold here. This is just from the technical because the earnings wasn't that good. If the earning was good and everybody was happy, the buyers here loaded up here and we could have had the squeeze. But now we didn't and we pulled back. However, we have a good reaction, which is holding over the 114, which is a good sign of not big seller coming in again over this level, because if we have another big seller, we could have brought the broke the $1.14 and we went around the 91 at least to confirm that we have a big seller and dropping not 20% but 40%. But now we dropped 20. As we said, this is just 20% that from the latest buyer that came around Friday 7th of November. So what we should expect now for Beyond Meat to squeeze, we need to break, as we said, over the 150 or 57 around this orange line in order to pump up and do the 50% that we all waiting for, around 35%, around the 174, at least 174, for confirmation that we have a reversal from this bearish trend that started since this huge drop on the end of October. So if we want to have the reversal, we should break over this orange line and go higher. So now this is what happened, guys, after a huge drop or continuation of a drop. Is continuation sideways. So this is good because before we don't have this kind of sideways consolidation. We have pump, then huge and new low down, pump, then a huge short down. Here we have a different scenario. We have a consolidation zone. This consolidation zone that we entered sideways started on the 1st of November until now, so almost 1 week. We have a good example for that, entering a consolidation zone for AMC, GameStop, and other stocks that had huge jump, go down, consolidate. Then, if we have another squeeze after this consolidation zone, sometimes 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes 1 month, depends on the news, depends on the right buyer, and then squeeze up. So we don't want to break this channel down in order to confirm that we have a good consolidation, and is mean loading up for the buyers and whales is by holding between the 14 and 150, and then we break up to confirm that we have a big buyer for Beyond Meat. Karen 19 said, according to my Ortex, saying it was shorted another 3 million today, but the price seemed resistant at the $1.20. There's supposed to be shareholders vote on dissolution of shares on the 19th. Interesting. Karen 19, thank you for the heads up. And yesterday, one of our traders said there is almost 30% short squeeze or short interest on Beyond Meat on Ortex. So the short interest increase, and of course we have many short adding for Beyond Meat. So this is will make the squeeze even bigger. As everybody knows, the more short they short, the bigger the squeeze will be. This will be interesting to see what's gonna happen if we broke this level of resistance. We're gonna keep you guys posted about Beyond Meat day by day. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe in order to be notified. And guys, don't forget. Tomorrow, as usual, we're gonna go live 30 minutes before the market open to discuss Beyond Meat and other stocks that we always trade here on our Discord as well. We always discuss many stocks as you see here. We discussed yesterday unicorn like ENGN was really one of the good stocks that we traded. The other stocks that we traded before was on swing trade. Yes, so we got Rocket Lab did really great. We got Open that we bought the diff hard and reversed 70% up from the alert that we did on Discord. So guys, the link comes section below if you want to join our Discord. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow.